Hi, welcome to the tutorial studio. Today is a quick video with a little SQL tip which will hopefully save you some time, and that's how to select multiple lines or add a cursor to multiple lines in SQL at once at the same time, so you can do things like move them all across, all in one. Stay tuned. Right, so this should be a very quick video. We have our select statement there, very simple, select from in SQL Studio, SQL Server Management Studio. What you need to do is put your cursor at the start of the first line that you want to move or select, and then hit and hold Alt and Shift, and then press the down arrow. And it really is as simple as that. And there you've got flashing cursors on multiple lines. Hit the space bar. Now this is personal preference, but I personally like to have my commas there and then a space after my commas. And there you go. Hopefully that will save you some time. As I said, a very short video. Alt, Shift, down arrow, adds cursors to multiple lines, and then you can perform actions on all those lines simultaneously. I hope that helps. Please give the video a like if it did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please feel free to comment and ask any questions. Happy coding. All the best.